Hey, Keegan. Giving you a little tour of the coop. It's kind of a mess right now because it's still winter outside, and I'll show you all the snow out there still. There's a lot of snow still. So I kind of need to do a deep clean. And I will when the snow goes away. And then I can let the chickens out and clean their coop. But let me just show you around a little bit. This, I already got the eggs earlier today, so there's no eggs right now, but maybe later tomorrow I'll make another video and I can bring you with me to collect the eggs. So that's where they like to lay their eggs, in the nest. There are 2 in there right now. Pretty green ones. I think the girl that lays the green eggs is this one. This is Gamora, the gray one. She lays the green eggs, and she is a sapphire. Her breed is called a sapphire olive egger.